Mainsprings raise mechanical levelers so they can be walked down and lowered into trailers at the proper height. A single broken spring can prevent the leveler from rising fully and result in dock downtime. In this video, we'll show you how to take the precise mainspring measurements to find the correct replacement size. All you need is a tape measure. A caliper tool is also helpful but not required. There are 4 measurements needed to determine the correct size of a spring: length, outside diameter, wire diameter, and the number of coils. To find the length of a spring, place your tape measure through the spring coils and measure the distance between each interior hook. The outer diameter is found by measuring the width of the spring. The wire diameter can be found in 2 ways. If you don't have a caliper, simply measure the width of the wire at the hook. If using a caliper, it can be placed anywhere on the wire. The last measurement is the number of coils. Simply count the total amount of wrapped coils on the spring, not including the hooks. If you have questions regarding measurements or need assistance identifying the dock leveler brand or model, the Multi-Fab Tech support team is happy to help. Call or email us today.